Hello dear students, in this video I am going to share with you some motivational tips which will help you to prepare assignment for this year. And as you are in final year, so I think role of teacher at this stage is to inspire you to work more from simple giving notes or information to you or to teach you. And main intention to prepare this video or make this video is one of a comment which I got 4 weeks ago on my YouTube channel. One of my previous student, she wrote, "Good afternoon ma'am, I am your student. You are such a great person I have ever seen in my life. You are such a role model for me and I think you are the role model of lots of students. I was totally impressed by your personality when I saw you during my first year. Your way of talking, walking, your positive attitude, your personality, everything was awesome. I only have a request from you that please guide us during this corona time. Please make some motivational videos for us." So students, when I received this message, I was engaged in PVR preparation, so I didn't get any time to prepare video, but I really want to prepare some motivational video for corona time on her request. So as I am really free at this time, so I think I must prepare a video which may be helpful to you all. Dear students, when I received this message, I was just thinking that so many motivational teachers or mentors are in the YouTube, but still this student was asking me to prepare motivational video. Why? Then I realized that role of teacher or impression of teacher on a student's life, they are mainly inspired by the teacher or the live personalities around them. And I think this is the drawback of this corona period. Positive side is that we all are in our comfort zone and learning or doing studies related to our course. But negative is that when we are in class, we have face-to-face interaction. When I posted my last video related to ethnobotany, I also got a message from your student Simran. She was complaining that, "Ma'am, your energy level is low." Then I think about it that maybe I am tired due to PVR, but again then I realized that when you are in classroom, you have face-to-face interaction. You can judge expression of your students. You can guess that are they learning or not, and then you can repeat or match your energy level with their energy level. But in this online teaching, it's a one-way communication. You are not aware that what are the needs of your students. So I think that is the great disadvantages of online teaching. Or same time, a teacher has to more focus on his communication. Are students getting in this way or not? So students, in this video, no doubt I will definitely focus on the lockdown period, how one should think at that negative scenario. So my first tip is that when we are in such situation, we have to change our attitude from negative attitude to positive attitude. See, it's like a glass of water. For some people it is half filled, or for some people it is more filled. So see, this corona time or lockdown period, I find very valuable time for me or some other students like you, especially Ashutosh Sharma, which I met before I think 6 to 8 months ago. I am very impressed with this person because he is a student of BSc Horticulture final year, but he is able to identify all the plants, fauna as well as flora both. That is due to his passion about the nature, about the plants or about the animals. When you make your passion your profession, then definitely you succeed in your life and you can distinguish yourself from other people. See this man, he is a very impressive personality, and he was very helpful for us during PVR preparation, because he is able to identify all the plants and insect, butterflies, etc. And he also said that during lockdown he come across many new species, because this is the time when you are totally free. You need not to walk around the clock, or you are free to visualize yourself, or think about, or to talk within yourself. And it's your inner sense which can guide you, which can inspire you, and which can motivate you to do something great. Some day before, I'm listening to a spiritual guru, Sudhanshu ji, and he's saying that he was relating a story that do you know that who give idea to Shah Jahan to build Taj Mahal, or the person who made Eiffel Tower, to prepare Eiffel Tower? Then his answer is his inner sense. So see, when we do some great thing, nobody can guide you except your inner sense. So this lockdown is the period when you have no worry. You can focus on yourself and talk to your inner sense, and you can get idea something to prepare or to do something new. And it's the best time to follow your passion and to make your passion your profession. So I think we should visualize or prepare our strategy likewise according to situation. We should know how we can handle a negative situation, or how we can convert a negative situation into a positive situation. One more person, Mr. Bhagat Ram, I was again inspired by him, because he's I think IT, he has only IT diploma, and he has passion of clicking photographs of birds, and he clicked so many or so beautiful photographs that he got prize for best photographer. And he clicked all the birds photograph of Mandi area, and along with the DFO Shri SS Kashyap of Mandi region, he wrote a book, and that book contained illustrations of all the birds of the Mandi area. So you can see a simple layman, he become a zoologist. So it's the passion which distinguished himself as a professionist. So you can also follow your passion and make your passion your profession. So I think this is a very good suggestion for you people. I myself enjoyed this corona period very much. I wrote so many research papers, so many new plants, biodegradable plants, prepared so many videos, and I think this is the best period of my life. So students, this is the attitude, how you can convert your negative situation into positive situation. And see, when we have some new projects in life, then we should have our unique plan. We should not only cut, copy, paste the things, but we should create something new. And trust me, when we create something new, we feel really enjoyed, or real happiness comes after creating something new. I will also share in today's video with you glimpses of assignments of last year students. I gave them assignments to prepare recipes of mushroom, as well as utilization of mushroom in your area. And I want them to collect cuttings from newspaper, from magazines, and paste on that assignments. And the students, only 10% students follow this, but they did very nice work, and I am really impressed with them. So see students, only competition between workers or the hard workers is very few. Most of the students or most of the persons, they want output without doing any work. But you should know that if you do something new, then you will get something new. But if you keep on cut, copy, paste, then you will get same result which earlier students or the loser get. So in today's video, I will share with you glimpses of that assignments which they really prepared with their heart, and I really enjoyed, and I gave them full marks for that assignments, because my strategy is that I should behave like a judge. I should not promote students who are not hardworking, or I should not give extra marks, or should not cut any marks for the good work you are doing. So please follow my words and do your hard work, so definitely you will get good marks. So let's start today's video, where we can see some glimpses of the previous assignments. So students, these are the cuttings from those assignments. You can see first, मशरूम का जादुई संसार, विचित्र किंतु सत्य। कैंसर मरीजों के लिए वरदान है खुम्बी, परवाना। मशरूम ग्रोअर हर महीने कमा रहे लाखों। मशरूम की खेती कर महिलाएं संवार रही जिंदगी। मशरूम लाएगा एड्स पर लगाम। Girls in Patna grow mushroom to support their families education. मशरूम से आ रही गांव में खुशहाली। मशरूम ग्रोइंग एन एक्साइटिंग जॉब। खुम्बी से मधुमेह दमा का इलाज संभव। मशरूम सिनेरियो इन इंडिया। Could a mushroom a day help keep the doctor away? Mushroom business flourished in state. Mushroom shield for the cancer hit. Mushroom improve wealth and health and wealth. मशरूम करेगा रोगों से बचाव। दुबलापन दूर कर रहा मशरूम। मशरूम ग्रोअर्स गेट ग्लोरी ऑफ इंडिया अवार्ड इन थाईलैंड। प्रदेश में भी उगा सकेंगे शीताके मशरूम। मशरूम खाइए और जानलेवा बीमारी भगाइए। दुबलापन दूर कर रहा मशरूम। मशरूम ग्रोअर हर महीने कमा रहे लाखों। मशरूम खाइए तेज होगी यादाश्त। मशरूम खा एकदम फिट रहा। कुड अ मशरूम अ डे हेल्प कीप द डॉक्टर अवे? नो योर मशरूम। मेक रूम फॉर मशरूम। Mushroom are having a moment. So see students, these are the cuttings which students collected from various sources and pasted on their assignments. I really like this, or enjoyed this. You know students, by this you get connected with the real life situation or real life scenario. You also get some interest to develop some entrepreneurship, which can help to create employment not for you, even for the other workers you will keep or place in your industries. That may be your nursery, that may be your mushroom industry. So see, these skill enhancement courses are very much beneficial for you. These courses will also touch you with the practical life. And so see, whenever you will provide assignments related to ethnobotany or mushroom cultivation, I wanted you to have some field experiences in your notebook or in your assignments. Likewise, if you have to prepare ethnobotany assignments, you can have a live questionnaire which I will provide you later on, and you can fill those questionnaire and staple to your assignments. You can have photograph with you and the people who you interview, or you can also have some practical aspects which are losing interest in today's life. And same time, these assignments or this type of approach will definitely help you to prepare for competitive exams, because in competitive exam you are supposed to give solution to practical problems, not for theoretical which you normally read from your books. So when you will indulge in social activities, you will definitely have your own ideas or your own solution toward those problems. And in ethnobotany, if you see all the syllabus, you will see there tribes of Himachal Pradesh. So it will be your part of assignment, tribe of Himachal Pradesh. And see some people or some students like Simran, she is from Kinnaur. They can have a real picture of tribes of that area. But otherwise you all have to prepare assignment on this topic, tribes of Himachal Pradesh. Because in competitive exams, especially HS exam or others, there are many questions related to these tribes because they have their own style of living, own use of indigenous plants or traditional knowledge which they pass from one generation to next generation. They have their own unique dresses, own language, own culture and tradition. So you have to prepare assignment on that, and it will definitely help you to prepare for competitive exams also. So see, these are the assignments. Then students prepare for recipes, and if you go through the question paper which I already shared with you, it contains some question from these assignments. So students, these are the glimpses for the work which I want you to do. I only want student to have real knowledge, because see, our study totally is theoretical, but last few years we can see some practical approaches, and it depends upon you how you tackle each assignments, and it will also help you to take up big projects in your life, and you can learn not to cut copy paste from books or internet, but to create your own creativity in that. So students, I will stop here with hope that you will justify your job and prepare a best assignment, so that I can show that those assignments to my future students with these words. Thank you very much.